What's up, everyone? Welcome to Enhanced Entrepreneurs. My name is Dominic Barbado and I'm one of the co-founding partners here at Enhanced Entrepreneurs. Enhanced Entrepreneurs is a global community of entrepreneurs looking to take their businesses to the next level, or to even start a business, or to even grow their business and scale it. Our community is full of resources, tools, videos, guides, courses, and awesome people that are all looking to enhance themselves and their businesses. So, to jump right into it, today we are going to be reviewing the book of the month last month, which was 0 to 1 by Thiel. This book was super awesome, so let's go ahead and jump right into that book review. 0 to 1 by Thiel. Hopefully some of you read it. If you didn't and you're just tuning in for the book review, that's fine as well. So this book is super awesome and I suggest you reading it besides this review. But just 3 key points about this book, keeping this book review short because I expect a lot of you to have read this. Thiel, one of the co-founding partners of PayPal, now he's I think multi-billionaire, but he was one of the starting partners of PayPal, which completely revolutionized the internet and the way we exchange money. In this book, he talks a lot about, taking your startup from 0 to, here, I'll read the back cover because I think this back cover is so awesome. It's easier to copy a model than to make something new. Doing what we already know how to do takes the world from 1 to N, adding more of something familiar. But every time we create something new, we go from 0 to 1. The act of creation is singular, as in the moment of creation, and the result is something fresh and strange. This is the book about how to get there. This book's super awesome. 0 to 1 is what he seriously completely talks about in the book. 3 key points though. In the book, he talks about how a lot of startups try to copy another model, and that's never going to work. You can't create another social media company and expect it to succeed against a $100 billion company. That doesn't work. So that's the main point of the entire book. The second thing is, which I have some notes here in the book, is essentially the curve of a startup. A lot of people think it's just a straight line. You just make a lot of money. It's easy. Once you start, lots of customers come. That's not it. It's a slow curve. It comes like this, slow, 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 and then all of a sudden it's a gradual incline up. And I think that's a big thing that people need to understand. When you're starting a company, you're not just going to get rich overnight. That's just not how it works. You need to, focus in on what problem you're solving. If you're not solving a problem going forward, then you're never going to solve a problem, and the company will never succeed. You need to solve a problem one, you need to create value. So the third point that I obviously want to talk about in this book is how he ends the book is create a world you want to live in. If you're not going to create something going forward that obviously is going to help people, or take this planet to the next level, or change an entire industry, then there's no point of starting that company. Because if you're going to start a company that's mediocre, that amount of time that it's going to take to start a mediocre company, you could put that amount of time into starting a great company. So I think that's a huge thing that people don't realize is take your effort and put it into something great. Don't put it into something mediocre. Give it 110%. If you're not going to give it 110%, don't start a company. Obviously here at Enhanced Entrepreneurs, we talk about side hustles. We talk about, starting a business while you're at your 9 to 5. And then as that business scales, then you can quit that 9 to 5. So it's a little bit of a different model, but still those businesses need to either one, offer value or solve a problem, or be so targeted in an unsaturated niche where you can make a lot of money. That's essentially it. There's a lot more stuff in here that obviously I didn't talk about here, but I just wanted to say this was a great book. For the book review this month, I'll give this book an 8 out of 10. So going forward, we're going to be doing these book reviews after the month that the book was read in our book club. So if you want to join that book club and you're just viewing this online, go to enhancedentrepreneurs.com/book club. There'll be a link in the description on where that club is. And our book next month is a surprise, so you're going to have to be signed up to check out our book club. And I hope to see you in the next book club. As always, make sure you hit that nice little subscribe button, hit that bell, support our community, join our community. It's free right now. It's not going to be free always, but if you lock in the free membership, you'll be free for a lifetime and you'll get access to all the awesome stuff. So I hope to see you on the other side. So I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.